Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I am somebody who stores a lot of Pokemon cards, so I was looking for a storage box that could keep everything organized. This is from Betschkim, and it has been awesome. It is really sturdy, it holds a ton of cards, and it makes it easy to separate everything by set or rarity. I use mine for bulk, holos, and cards that I'm getting ready to stream. It's made finding what I need so much faster. The dividers are a nice touch because I can keep everything organized instead of digging through random stacks. It feels so solid when I take this on the go. The foam at the top keeps everything from moving around. So if you are a Pokemon collector or baseball, football, and you need an affordable way to organize your growing collection, I think this is a great buy. I will definitely be picking up more cards, and I am excited to continue to use this in the future. I would highly recommend it, but that is just my point of view.